In this video, you'll learn how to create your first invoice using Zoho Invoice. By following these steps, you will be able to generate an invoice that suits your business needs effectively. Begin by navigating to the Zoho Invoice homepage. You can do this by entering the Zoho Invoice in your browser. Once the page loads, look for the section labeled Explore All Products. This section will guide you to find Zoho Invoice among other applications. After locating the Explore All Products section, click on it. This action will present you with a list of popular Zoho applications. You should see options that include various business solutions, including invoicing software. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the offerings available. Next, type invoice into the search bar that appears on the page. This step is crucial as it will help you quickly find the invoice application. Once you see the search results, look for the option labeled invoice and select it to proceed. Once you click on invoice, the Zoho Invoice interface will load. You should see a welcome message indicating that you are now in the Zoho Invoice application. This is the starting point for creating your invoice. After the welcome screen appears, you will be prompted with options to customize your invoice. Look for the question, how do you want your invoices to look? This section will allow you to choose a template that fits your business's branding. Select a template from the available options. Once you choose one, you will have the ability to customize it further. This customization can include adding your organization logo, selecting invoice colors, and adjusting the background to match your brand identity. Continue customizing by clicking on each option, such as invoice colors, background, and font. Each selection will display various choices that you can apply to your invoice. After making your adjustments, click Save and Proceed to confirm your changes. Now, you will need to set up your payment preferences. The application will ask, how do you want to receive payments? Here you can choose between online payment options or offline methods, depending on your business model. After selecting your preferred payment method, click Save and Proceed again to finalize your payment settings. Ensure to review any notes provided regarding manual payment recording, as this may affect your invoicing processes. Next, you will be prompted to enable additional modules that may be beneficial for your invoicing needs. Click on Select Modules to view options such as quotes and timesheets, which can help streamline your invoicing process. Once you have selected the modules you wish to use, you can click on Start Invoicing. This action will lead you to the main invoicing interface, where you can begin creating your first invoice. Finally, you are ready to create your invoice. Click on Create Invoice to bring up the invoice form. Here, you can enter all the relevant details such as client information, item descriptions, and amounts. Once you have completed the form, review it and click Save to generate your invoice. And that completes the process. Thanks for following along. See you next time.